Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You've seen the thumbnail, so let's just get straight into this video. That is the beast. Let's get straight into it. So you get the TQI remote. TQI. Oh, that fell off. Standard TQI remote. I've never actually had one of these before. Oh, it's upside down. There's the beast. Doing this one-handed. Get the plastic off. I went for the blue and green body. Looks sweet. This is like you saw on the thumbnail. It's the Vxl, so it has all the heavy duty stuff. The BL2S, the other brushless one, just the 2S normal one. That it doesn't have the metal drive shaft underneath. Or I love these quick releases. It's the big 540 motor. I think it has a metal pinion and spur. So yeah, it's a bit better than the normal Stampede. Has all the extreme heavy duty stuff. Just put that there. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So yeah, I'm just going to whack a little 3S battery in there and have a little first run. There we go. Ready to go. And obviously, being the TQI remote, you have a TSM on this one. So that does the steering on its own. There we go. Ready to go. This thing has so much torque. That's just crazy. Oh, first scratches. Probably needs a little bit of a bigger pinion on there. Give it a bit more speed. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that bottoms out fast on the brakes. But that wheelies just so easily. Oh yeah, that bottoms out straight away. Oh, look at the scratches. That bottoms out way too fast. Might have to change the shocks or do something, put thicker oil in there maybe. But yeah, them wheelies, it is a wheelie machine. This is obviously just going to be a first run, so no crazy jumps or anything. But in the next video, what I'm going to be filming on the weekend, yeah, I'm probably going to give it a proper good bash, proper good jumps. Really give it a good durability test. Oh, that's crazy. Straight off. Oh, bunny hop. Yeah, so this is my first Stampede. I've never really been into the Stampedes before. Yeah, I've never really liked the look of the Stampedes. Full speed. Whoa, man. Whoa, man. Yeah, I've never really liked the look of the old Stampedes, and I know this is basically just a Hoss, but yeah, this thing looks epic. The body is awesome. I find the body looks amazing on this thing, and this obviously has that huge torquey motor, that 540. Yeah, as soon as I gear this thing up, this is going to be an absolute beast. Oh. because the torque is crazy. Oh, I nearly hit the wall. Oh, the scratches. Oh man, how the body's holding up. Not bad. Some really good protection on there. See if we can get a wheelie out of it. Down the road. Oh no. Oh, it's hard. There we go. Oh, a little wobble. TSM is off, right? Oh. That does bottom out straight away though, when you put the brakes on. The suspension is way too soft. There we go. Oh, a bit of wobble. Oops, in the ditch. Love them little bunny hops it does. There we go. Full speed. Whoa. Oh, it's quite hard to control, to be fair. I don't know if you really do need to gear this thing up. That's what I wanted to do. There we go. Ooh, body touched it, I think. Try and do that again. Whoa, straight at me and in the ditch. See what it's like cornering high speed. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Try not to flip it. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, almost flipped it. Oh, definitely flipped it. Oh. Whoa, I don't know what happened there. Yeah, so this thing's a little beast. Shame about the front suspension. It's way too soft. But yeah, change the shocks maybe. Just try and make these ones harder. I don't know. We'll see. Whoa! Almost got my feet. Oh, that's cool. Whoa! Try that self-right. Awesome. Self-right works amazing on this car. Seeing it is so light. So it's probably not even that dangerous for the gears, to be fair. Gonna check the temps on the motor. Ooh. Ooh, that is definitely hot. And that is stock gearing, so yeah, I'm definitely have to be careful if I gear it up. So yeah, not bad after a first run. All I have to say is probably the front shocks, probably a bit too soft, well, definitely too soft, because every time it brakes, it just hits straight away. Obviously, scratching that, so that's not going to last very long. I guess you can change that part. And the motor got a bit hot, but I guess on 3S, that's normal, I guess. And yeah, and hopefully I can get it out this weekend to give it a proper bash, proper durability test. So yeah, guys, like I said, next video with the Stampede is probably going to be a durability test at the skate park. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out and see you next time. Bye.